Paris. At last! I think we did film some stuff this morning, but we had like a 4 AM start. This one bounced out of bed, that's not so much. But we've made it. We're at Charleston and Carl is just getting us a rental car so we can go to Disneyland. We are half checked into our hotel. Half checked in. Doesn't really count because our room's not available till 3. It's like 11:30 and shuttle's not for another hour to the park, so we're just walking. Oh, it's 5 to 12. It took us half an hour to get the half checked in. Yeah. Wow. But we're about a 5-minute walk from the mall at Val d'Europe, so we're just starving. Yeah, we're gonna go get some food. So we've been up since 4 and nobody's eaten yet. So.
Not true, Chris had a croissant.
Oh yeah, he did have a croissant on the plane. Plate on the plane. The rest of us have not. So we'll go get some food before we have some grumpy people. Grumpier people, yeah. Yes. And that's how this clip's gonna start. So everyone is now fed. Are we less grumpy?
Yeah, no.
Yeah. A little bit. I'm a bit wonky. So yeah, we're just taking a casual stroll down to our hotel to get the next transfer, which I think is still half hour. Yes. To get this place. Looks really cute. Can't really show you in there, but it's probably someone's house, so maybe we shouldn't do that anyway. Maybe not. Trying to like figure out this new little tripod, so hopefully it's a bit less bouncy for you. Yeah, we are going to get our annual passes. Everyone excited?
Yes.
No?
Kind of.
Obviously not. Okay, so slight change of plan. We're going to walk. Because
the dog quack.
They're just swearing in my vlog, don't mind them. Yeah, change of plan. It's supposed to be about a 12-minute walk, so we thought we're going to walk it.
Well,
because look how pretty it is as well. It's really nice. There's a little river and there's some like nice little autumn trees. Don't know how much you can hear me over his nonsense, but it's fine.
Oh, funny.
So yeah, we will update you when we get there and see how long this actually takes. Because there's some disagreement online as to whether it's 12 minutes or 20. So we shall see. Okay, so quick update. That took probably, what, 15, 20 minutes?
I think it's 18, so in between.
In between. It wasn't a bad walk at all, actually. It's really nice. And it does bring you down this side. So the
down
other...
by Newport.
Yeah. So whereas Santa Fe is probably 20 minutes to Disney Village, this actually brings you the other side. So it's not that bad at all. So yeah, pretty good. But it did start raining as soon as we started walking, which is just typical. But
It wasn't too bad though, was it?
no, it's not. I am going to have to film some clips today on my phone just because my camera doesn't like it when it gets wet. So,
Shocking.
yeah. When we have got these two to catch up wherever they are, we're going to go get our passes. I'm really excited. But look! Here's our first look at the Christmas
He shuts
tree
himself down.
and Main Street. I'm like in love already, guys. This is our first ever Christmas trip to Disney and...
Chippendale.
Oh, where?
Yeah, snowman falls.
Oh yeah, there's little snowman characters, and we'll show you around properly later because we are just off to do something. Well, that's not an appropriate joke for YouTube. Okay, I've sort of lost something important already. The thing that
you having a bubble?
literally just told me not to lose. We have... Hey, how cute are these tickets for Mickey's 90th? And these are pre-annual pass tickets, so we are just on our way down Main Street to go and get them converted, which will be awesome. There's the castle looking all sparkly and lovely. We have Mickey and Minnie over here, Donald and Daisy over here. Not gonna lie, guys, I'm getting a bit emotional. He is deliriously happy right now. So we've only been in the park about 5 minutes, but who says the 4 AM wake up call was worth it?
Definitely.
Yeah? Are we forgiving it now?
I had food, I was
Not
happy
yet.
for that.
I mean, it is. It's stunning here and
Not until you get on.
buzzing.
There's no one there, is there?
We've got our annual passes! Everybody happy?
Oh, yes, yes, yes. Woo!
So we're just gonna get our cute
Gold
little...
one looks sexy.
Just gonna get our cute little Instagram photo of our annual passes and then decide what we're actually gonna do. And actually enjoy being in Disney now.
Whoop, whoop.
So we are now walking back across the other side of the park because first ride for us tends to be Thunder Mountain. Don't know why, just is. So even though it's raining, that's where we're going. So we are in the queue for Thunder Mountain.
Oh, you should have made him guess.
Oh, it's a bit late, but can you guess what queue we're in? Yeah, we're in the queue for Thunder Mountain. It's like a 55-minute wait at the moment. I don't know if you're going to see it, but look. Yeah, we are absolutely obsessed. You can kind of see down there. We're going to go down there later anyway, but...
I actually get my own one because then I can get the souvenir cup because it's adorable.
It's true.
We've got to try and find the infinity gauntlets to see if we've got any left.
So that's basically where we're at right now, just hanging out in the Thunder Mountain queue. For you, we went to Casey's and got some food. We rode Thunder Mountain. Did we do anything else?
The annual passes.
We already said about the annual passes, and we've just walked back to our hotel, which is the High Park by Daddio Apartments, and we are in room 204. And I'm going to give you a room tour because this is a suite and a half. It's amazing. So front door behind me. Nice little full-length mirror so you can check yourself on the way out. My glamorous assistant here. We have a double cupboard in the hallway, I guess you'd call this.
Yes,
It's like a nice little laminate flooring as well, very swish. You see safe in there. Yeah, so nice storage there. And we come down here and we have a door here. We've just run around opening all the doors, so everything's open. We have just a toilet in here. And he's literally just being my assistant now. A bathroom in here, so there's knee-high sink and then all towels etc. down there. Oh, we've got a hairdryer, that's good. And nice little shower, bath, all groovy. Oh, what's this?
Fuse cupboard.
Oh, okay, we don't need to go in the fuse cupboard. There's a Becca, she comes free with the apartment. Then in here we have our shiny kitchen. They found the microwave. I've walked into this lamp twice, we've been here 5 minutes. We also have, it's just cupboard with a bin, dishwasher and fridge with a little freezer box. A few little utensils, hobs. I think they found
This view is insane.
toaster, some cups, glasses. It's like a weird mirrorage. And then we have a little dining table for 4, which is very cute.
So
Another Becca.
I'm going to assume that's the River Seine that we're looking at.
You're not saying.
Lake.
Like little funky
okay, so
lamp here. Sofa here for Chris. He also comes with the apartment.
Nice little wall art.
Yeah.
The Eiffel Tower from here.
Can you? We'll have a look at that in a second.
You can see that.
Okay, we'll go look now.
Are you sure it's not just the top of the tree?
That's the Eiffel Tower.
So this is about-
You see, just
Yeah, this is the balcony. Let me see if I
In
can.
between those two trees, there is the Eiffel Tower.
I don't think the camera's going to pick it up, but you can see the Tower of Terror. Where?
Just there.
Just there, look.
Yeah.
Wow. Yeah, and this little lake that they're talking about is just down here, and we have like a full wraparound balcony that it's not very wide, but. Hey, Carl, he also comes with the apartment.
You can get to it from every room.
Yeah, there's so many doors out, as demonstrated there. So you have TV, little desk, sofa bed. This is Becca and Chris's room, so double bed in here, more cupboard space, and another little balcony door, also overlooking said little lake, and some poor lady who now thinks I'm filming her. And then back through the lounge diner, we have another Carl. There's people everywhere in this apartment. And we have like we've gone for the twins, so we have the 2 singles, although pushed together, and then all of this wardrobe space. There's so much space in here. I mean, we have drawers in here, like all shelvy space, and then hanging space in these ones. Oh no, more shelves. So, everyone happy with their apartment?
And another balcony.
That's demonstrated.
Are you happy with your apartment? Where have you gone? Hello? Hello? Are Are you happy with your apartment?
We have a bath.
I don't know if that means yes or no.
That means yes.
Okay, good.
This one as well.
Don't forget what one?
It's about 19 foot deep as well.
It's 19 foot deep. There you go, ladies and
Double
gents.
doors.
That has double doors, and Becca and Chris have a little single door. But yeah. So, High Park by Adagio so far, massive thumbs up. It is expensive to park here, I will say that. We are paying €15 a night to park the car here. So,
And that is
However, if we knew how quick it was to walk,
What are you doing?
then we wouldn't have got a car, would we?
yeah, so we would definitely stay here again. I just wouldn't bring the car here again. Would be the
That's
opinion.
fair.
Yeah.
Like,
But the apartment itself is
the walk
amazing.
It's not quite the same as from Santa Fe because you don't.
Let me
See,
stand up, Chris.
You don't see as much Disney, do you, on this walk? But you pay with a tap.
No.
But it is a nice walk. Like
Yeah, we've
done it in the rain, and no one's wanted to like yell,
cry.
and throw themselves on the floor.
Yeah. And we were talking about it on the way back. I think the walk itself is probably about the same duration as Santa Fe. You just hit Disney Village earlier
Yeah,
with
because we
Santa
kind of
Fe.
go around the back of Disney Village.
Yeah, but you do also then cut Disney Village out and you end up right at the entrance. So it just depends what your preference is. And as just pulled up, it does come with a free shuttle service to the park. It's just, we're impatient, so we walked.
It took
Better
us
to
like
walk.
15 minutes, whereas it was another 25 for the
To wait for
shuttle.
the shuttle.
Yeah, exactly. So I think we're all going to unpack, chill here for a little bit. Christopher wants a shower.
I want some snacks.
Yeah, and I think we're going to go hit Ocean and get some snacks, stock up our little kitchen, and now we have somewhere very cute to sit and eat breakfast. I mean,
We
winner.
can buy croissants and stuff and have a really cute breakfast in the morning.
exactly. So yeah, we're going to get the apartment all
Exactly.
stocked up, have a little break, we're going to ignore her, and then I think the plan is to head back to the park for the fireworks later. So we'll catch up with you in a little bit. We've had a little chill out at the hotel. We've just been to Ocean to get some food, to stock up for breakfast and lunch, and now we're going to go get some food because we're all very hungry and very tired. I'm getting a bit grumpy. And Beck bought weird things. Did you figure out what they are as you descend into darkness?
Breakfast bars.
Ah, there we go.
It's like breakfast bars. They were €1 and they had chocolate in the middle.
Fair
Also,
enough.
I found Mojito 7-Up.
What's that like?
Actually really good. You can try some.
Oh, fair enough. So yeah, I think the plan is Planet Hollywood for dinner, and then we'll see what we have the energy for. So we'll catch up with you there. So we've finally been fed. We went to, what was that place? Via Pino?
Do you reckon I'll have one in cafe?
I don't know. It's like a little Italian bit just outside of Disney Village. It's really nice. Bit of a weird service system at this time of night where you have to like queue up and order your food and stand there and wait while they cook it. But it was very nice. Yeah, we're just having a little wander around Disney Village, and they have set up like a little German market sort of style huts everywhere, which is very cute. Let me show you. Okay, they're all there. It's all looking very festive down here. And I think that'll probably be it for tonight, won't it? We've gone through Disney Village, and then we are going to go to bed because we are tired. It's now 10:30. We've been on the go since 4 AM, and even if you take the time thingy difference out, that's 9:30. So it's pretty good going, I would say, wouldn't you? So we'll say goodnight. Night. See you tomorrow.